Hi, welcome to the lab. This is where all the magic happens. R&D starts in the sales department. They come to us, they tell us what they need. We research it, we develop it, we consult with our raw materials suppliers. We then develop it into an end product which we send out for field testing to get the feedback and make adjustments as necessary.
Hi, my name's Perry Richardson. I'm a co-owner of Plaster Products and the original starter of the business. Everything we do is about the end user. It's about putting quality and value in the finisher's hand. So the integral part of that, and I think the difference between us and some of our competitors, is our ability to get product out and field test it quickly, get feedback, and also then adjust that product to suit what the end user requires. We've had 4T, which is an all-purpose product. We've had Pro Top, which is a mid-weight finishing cement, and now we've got Pro Light, so it's a lightweight finishing cement. So it's about giving customers choice. So any one of those products will do the job, whether it be for second coat or finish coat, but ultimately each plasterer has a different requirement and likes different characteristics about a product. Our job is to provide a good range of products that meets the demands of all the different people that we have that buy from us. Trade base is the latest. Trade base is our own baseline. Previously we've had other people make our products for us, and now we're going into full production ourselves. So we spend a lot of time and effort and research to make sure that the machinery and the equipment that we've got are state of the art and very, very capable of doing a good job for us. Part of that is we've been doing extensive field testing with it to make sure that we get the product as close to perfect as we possibly can. This is where the field testing comes into its own, is that obviously we have a lot of time and effort put in the lab where we test it in small quantities, then we make smaller batches and we take it to the field, then we make large batches and we retest it. And at the end of the day, what we see in the lab, it's always not reflected out on the site. So it's very, very important that we get that feedback from the field to make sure that what we're making is what the plasterer wants, not what the lab technician wants.